Hello everyone! Today I will introduce how to use masks in Procreate. Masks refer to the process of filling parts of images and layers in order to hide them. For example, the letter O of Ocean written in the image above. A part of the letter is hidden with the application of masks. Imagine a face mask covering a part of your face, for instance. Masks here do a similar job as well, but on Procreate. Alright, let's start opening images. Tap the image button on the top right to choose the image from your camera roll. I'll use this photo this time. Tap the layer button to lock the image, making it unable to be drawn on. Then start drawing text on a new layer. By the way, I was actually feeling down because I thought I was filming this video as usual until I realized halfway that it wasn't recording. But fortunately, I was recording the screen, so I will be explaining using that video instead. Next, I'll be making masks after applying the layer. Tap the layer and you'll see the masks button below, so select that and you'll show layer masks on top of the layers. I'll be coloring using either the white or black brush on the layer mask. The part you color in black will be hidden by applying a layer. I chose the black brush and now I'm choosing the brush type that would help me apply the layer mask completely. With the image I have right now, I have no clue how much of the image I can delete since I can't see what's going on in the back. In this case, lower the degree of transparencies. Double tap the text layer with 2 fingers. Then the bar shows up. So drag it with 1 finger. This lets me see the backside of the image, and now select the mask layer mentioned earlier and color using the black brush. I was coloring it in black, but if you fill this layer mask with the white brush, it will revert. For instance, if I color the letter B in black, it gets erased just like an eraser. On the other hand, if I color in white, the layer mask doesn't apply, so it will revert. If you color in gray, it becomes translucent. Even though it won't revert when you erase it with an eraser, with the mask, you can always delete or add later. Lastly, I'm going to change the layer mode of the letters. Tap the layer button where you can choose a blend mode or a drawing mode. This time, I will go with a hard light. It's a bit too light like this, so duplicate this layer and overlay its drawing mode and adjust the transparency to finish. Alright, today I've talked about how to use masks in Procreate. I'll be uploading more videos in Procreate, so please subscribe. Bye bye!